Welcome to your chemistry lab at Grand Valley State University. The chemistry department is excited to have you in one of our courses. We put a lot of thought and planning into our labs to try to make sure that you learn good chemical technique and concepts and work safely in the lab. So on behalf of the chemistry department, welcome. The safety of our laboratory depends on each student being prepared for class and following the rules. The class will only be as safe as the least safe student. Most injuries in chemistry classes are from errors by the injured student or another nearby student. Don't let that scare you. We will show you how to do each task safely, and you should not hesitate to ask about how to do something safely if you're not sure. This set of videos is one of the ways we will show you how to work safely. It will show you many things that you should do to keep yourself and your classmates safe in lab. It includes a discussion about what to do in an emergency, and that should help you be calm in the event of a real emergency. After each section in this module, you will answer some questions to check your understanding. After you complete the entire module, you'll take a safety assessment. You'll be required to attain 100% on the final assessment to participate in lab. If you don't get 100, you will be able to take it again. If you still don't pass, you should go through the module again before taking it a third time. Taking the assessment is required and verifies that you have received safety training for the chemistry laboratory. The first step in laboratory safety is something that you'll decide even before you leave in the morning: how you dress, that is, which clothes and shoes you wear. Dressing safely for lab is easy. Jeans, sneakers, and a t-shirt or sweatshirt will work fine. Let me give a few more detailed rules so you'll understand what other kinds of clothes are appropriate. The basic idea is simple. You want to protect your skin from spills and splashes, especially on parts of your body that are inconvenient to wash in the lab. I'll start at your feet and work upwards. Your shoes should completely cover the tops of your feet. Any shoe with shoelaces is probably fine. Sneakers and athletic shoes, boots, and leather work shoes are all appropriate. Sandals, flip-flops, Crocs, and open flats that don't cover the tops of your feet are not. In some labs, you have to wear long pants. Your instructor will let you know whether shorts or skirts are permitted in your lab. Any shorts or skirts must cover the tops of your legs while you are sitting down. You may wear long or short sleeve shirts. The shirt must cover your stomach, your shoulders, and most of your upper chest. Tank tops, low-cut tops, and short shirts that expose your stomach are not acceptable. Long sleeves should not be so loose that they could drag on the bench or knock things over. Avoid thin synthetic fabrics like sheer nylon or polyester. These dissolve when they come into contact with some chemicals, and they also burn easily. Don't wear your nicest clothes because they might not stay that way. Finally, if you have hair that's long enough to touch your shoulders, you must tie it back in the lab. Once you've dressed right, there's one more thing to do before your class. Read through the experiment. Take down notes about the procedure. In some classes, you'll be able to use those notes for a pre-lab quiz, either in class or online before you come in. Write down any questions you have about the lab, the chemicals you'll use, the lab techniques, and things that might present hazards. You should complete calculations that are needed to start the lab, and think about how you'll organize your data if the tables aren't provided in the manual. This preparation will help you be ready for the experiment and prepare you for a safe lab session.